Alright, so welcome back crew, and welcome back to another video. Hey guys, so today I'm here with my buddy Blair. We're actually about to do something different that we haven't ever done before. So my buddy Blair asked me, have you ever done any wrap before? I was like, no, but we can give it a try. So today we're going to be trying to wrap his Caboodle. It's like a off-road ATV vehicle, and I'm going to show you guys everything that we use to get the job done. And if you guys want this product or something like that, it'll be down in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started with this wrapping of the Caboodle. Alright, 2017. This is a 2017 Kubota RTV 400. Blair already went and took the sides off, so we're going to do the sides. And what he's going to do is the front here. We're going to do the front. To the front. Both sides. And this here is the sides. What he's going to do is, first he already cleaned them off, but we're going to get some rubbing alcohol, wipe it down one last time before we undo the wrap. So the stuff we're going to use, of course, is X-Acto knife. I got my paddles here so we can smooth it out, heat gun, and of course we need the wrap. And this wrap is made by Vivid. See that, Vivid, and it's a premium automotive film. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get set up. I'm going to set the camera up and we're just going to try to attack it a piece at a time. Like I said, this is my first time actually doing a wrap, and he went with the camouflage wrap. So we're going to go ahead and do the small skirt first, and then we'll move on from there.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Come on. Okay, right there.
It's a rich thing.
So I'm just gonna peel. You hear me peel it back? All right, Chris, now we got the 3 side panels to the trunk. We already went on ahead and wrapped that, so this is gonna be the hard part for us because it got a lot of rounded curves. Go around here, there. So now we're gonna set you up right here and we're gonna try to see if we can wrap this hood here. And we're gonna do the center part first. Did you start peeling yours? You can just go ahead and take that off. Yeah. We're gonna let that go underneath it. Put that on, down there. Go like that. Put it in there. Peel yours down from there. All right. I got about a foot on this side right here. Oh, okay. Go over towards your side.
We're stuck.
Pull your foot. All right. All right, so we basically just finished up the hood, and Blair just trying to get a couple of air bubbles out of it, trimming up the bottom. We actually had to cut it down the middle, right there where he's at. We cut it down that middle there to tie it so we can tie it together. But other than that, man, it's a few little creases, but you cannot tell unless you're like really close up on it with this camouflage look. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna go ahead and put the bezels on, and we're gonna put the side pieces on, and we're gonna show you guys the finished product after it's done. Put our holes in it. Alright guys, so we finished her up. He's just putting that one side panel on it. Overall, it took us a while. It was actually harder than we thought. But I think it turned out pretty good. He wanted a camo on it, and we got it up. Alright guys, so that's the finished product. As you see, you know, this is something that you can do in the afternoon. It took us about 3 hours to do it. Trust me, it was not easy. The hardest part was the part here, the hood where it's rounded off at and stuff. That's the hardest part there. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick DIY video, guys, with you, in case you may want to wrap a little ATV, or who knows, you may want to try to wrap your vehicle. I wouldn't try to do it. Too much trouble. I'll leave it for the professionals. But it turned out good. I think Blair is going to be up in the woods hunting before you know it. So anyway guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. And like I always tell you, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.